we embarked on advocacy efforts with external stakeholders such as government bodies and civil society entities to emphasize the significance of community accountability in all the flood response endeavors. In the context of our broader initiative to mainstream quality and accountability, we rolled out a compelling digital campaign. We reached staggering 3 million individuals across diverse platforms, focusing on people working in the humanitarian sector in Pakistan especially. Localization of these content was a key priority. We took the aim to translate videos and tailor content to cater to specific target audience. We initiated trainings for the local staff of the organizations on severe minimum standards, cash transfer programming, core humanitarian standard, as well as introducing trainings for media personnel on how information saves lives and journalism and reporting can ensure that communities get the right and fact-based information.